This is Mr. Elmhorst with the combining integers review. So we're going to take a look at the first model here on the left. We have 1, 2, 3 positives. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 negatives. So because we have opposites, positives and negatives, we're going to get 0 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 0 pairs. So we are subtracting. So 6 minus 3 is 3. And we have more negatives, so our answer is -3. So on the right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 positives. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 negatives. So because these are opposites, so we are going to delete each other. We're going to subtract. So 9 is going to be subtracted from 12. And that gives us 3. And we have more negatives, so our answer would be -3. But we could also do 0 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 0 pairs. So that's the subtracting part. We're making 0 pairs, and then we have -3. So we can model. So I can use counters to combine integers and write an expression from each picture. So we had an expression and then our answers. So I can use number lines to combine integers. So we have our first integer here, and we just label left as negative and right as positive. Our first integer is negative. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to go here to -8. So we got that one. Now we're going to go +10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to go to the right 10 units, +10. And then we end up at 2 or +2. So on the number line, next one we have -2. So we're going to go 1, 2. And then we have -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're at -2. We go -6 more, and we're going to end up here at -8. So I can write a math problem from a number line. So our first problem is going to be going to the right. So we got 1, 2, 3. So +3. And then we're going to go left, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we go negative. These are going in the negative direction. This is going in the positive direction. So we're going to go -6. And we can put these in parentheses just to represent that that's a number here. Okay. And then this equals -3. Okay, so we have the positive direction here, the negative direction on the left. So we're starting at 0. And then we go -1, -2. So our expression, first we have -2. And then we turn around and then we go in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. +5. And then where do we end up at? +3. So I can solve real world problems involving integers. So we have a diver that dives down, down, is negative, and it looks like it says 6 feet, and then swims up. Up is positive, 3 feet. So write an expression to represent the situation. Okay, so let's see. So a diver is going underwater, and so we have -6, and then we have +3. So the diver dives down. So here we have 0, goes down -6, and then comes back up +3. Okay, so we got a diver that's still underwater. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 0 pair, 0 pair, 0 pair. So the diver is still down 3 feet. So what is the ending balance for the checking account? Following information. Okay, so the beginning balance in the money is that we have positive 96.78. Then you're going to take out money. A withdrawal is negative. And then a bank card purchase is negative. And then a deposit is positive. Okay, and so we have 96.78. And then the withdrawal means we're taking money out. 8, 7, bring your decimal down. 6, and then 5. Then it says a bank card purchase. Purchase means you're taking money out, so that's a withdrawal. And then you have a deposit where you're putting money in. So we have 23.67. 1, 1, 3, 3. Bring the decimal down, and then we deposit. So we're going to go plus 28.98. So 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what's the ending balance? The ending balance should be $62.09. So a mountain climber ascended, so that's 50 feet, and then descended 12 feet. Okay. Okay, so ascending is going up, and then descending is going down. So it's positive, and then descending is going negative. So we had plus 50 feet is going up, and then 12 feet going down. So we had 50 feet, and then we're going to take away the 12. We're going to end up with 38 feet. And he's still above ground. It's still positive. He went up more feet than he came back down. Or, well, yeah. So I can state the rules for combining integers. So to combine same sign integers, I am going to add the numbers and choose a sign of the bigger number. Okay, so the same sign. So if I have -5 and -20, so we're going to add these numbers, negative 25, and then keep the sign of what you have more of. So to combine different signs, I subtract the numbers and keep the sign, okay, keep the sign of the bigger number. We can still use the same strategy, okay? The bigger numbers. Okay, so for example, if I have negative 5 plus 20, okay, so now I'm going to take a look at this right here. So we have more positives. So our answer is positive, but because these are opposites, these are opposites, we're going to subtract. 20 minus 5 is going to give us 15. So I can find the absolute value. The absolute value is a number's distance from 0, or just the number. Okay, so the absolute value, for example, negative 5, these are absolute value symbols, is 5, or the absolute value of 5 is also just 5. So I can solve absolute value problems. So negative 3, the absolute value of 3 is just 3. So no sign. So the absolute value of negative 1 is 1. The absolute value of 9 is 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So negative 19, absolute value. So we're going to put these in order from least to greatest, from negative to positive. So we're going to take our biggest negative number, negative 19, negative 8. Now, this is the absolute value of negative 3, which is 3. So we have 0, 2, and the absolute value of negative 3. So the opposite of negative 3, the opposite is positive 3. The opposite of 5, is negative 5. Okay. All right, so we got this. So I can solve integer problems. So first thing we're going to do is do not change addition. Problems. Do not change the addition. So we go through here. Okay. So this one's good. This one's good. Don't change addition. Once we have addition, then we're good. That's what we want to do. Those are good. Okay. So here we go. These are all addition. All right. So only change subtraction. So subtraction, so we're going to keep, change. Keep it, change, change. Keep, change, change. So you probably actually do it this way here, just so -1 plus +8. So then we can see what the original is. So we got 8 plus +4. 13 plus -29. 5 plus +46. 5 plus +3. -545 plus +5. -2 plus +4. 3 plus -9. 4 plus +59. 28 plus +2. -500 plus +25. So now we're ready to go through, and then if we have same signs means you're going to add. Different signs means you're going to subtract. So these are different signs. So 8 minus 1 is 7. You have more positives, +7. Okay, same signs. Same signs means you add the numbers. 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. These are different signs. Different signs means you subtract. So 29 minus 13, which is going to be 16, and then you have more negatives, your answer is negative. These are same signs. Same signs means you add. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So these are same signs. Same signs, we're going to add. 97 plus 32. 9, 1, 2. And then you have negatives, so your answer is negative. Okay, same sign. Same sign means you add. So 46 plus 5 is going to be 51, and then these are positive, so positive 51. Different signs. Different signs means you subtract. 6 minus 2, which is 4, and then you have more positives, so that's positive 4. Okay, same signs. Same signs means you add. So 78 plus 20, and then you have negatives, so your answer is negative. And negative 545, so these are different signs, so you subtract. So minus 5, 545 minus 5, you're going to end up with 540, and then you have more negatives, so your answer is negative. So I can graph the ordered pairs. Which letter is at 4, -6? So x, comma y. So x, comma y. So x is 4 and y is -6. So you're going to label here. There's your x. Here's your y. So this is positive. So we're going to go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go -6. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what point is located there? What are the coordinates for point W? So we're going to go over here for W. So we're going to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is -4. And then y is going down. So then we have -1, 2, 3. -3. Which letter is at -6, 0? So first we have x and then y. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6, and then 0. 0 means we don't go up or down. So what letter is located at -6, 0? Let's see. What's located there? Oh, L. Letter L. That looks like it's right here. Letter L. And what are the coordinates for point O? So we're looking for x and then y. So point O is straight down. So there's no positive or negative. So x is 0. And then y is going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -6.